Hey everyone, welcome back. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency in 2025, securely managing your assets is more important than ever. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from XMO to your Ledger Nano X. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you transfer your Tron tokens safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an XMO account with TRX in it, your Ledger Nano X device unlocked and connected to your computer, and the Ledger Live app installed. Also, double-check that your Ledger Nano X has the Tron app added. It's a quick download if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Balances, section. Find your TRX balance and click on the Withdraw option. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, select TRX as the cryptocurrency. Now, you need your Ledger Nano X's Tron address. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer, connect your device, and go to the Tron account section. Copy the address carefully. Remember, in 2025, with advanced security features, always verify it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Step 3. Paste the address into the XMO withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to send, and don't forget to check the network fees. XMO might have updated fee structures by 2025, so look for the lowest option to save on costs. Step 4. Review everything twice. Confirm the details, and if prompted, enable two-factor authentication. It's a must for security. Hit the Withdraw button, and XMO will process your request. Step 5. On your Ledger Nano X, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Use the device buttons to verify and approve the transaction. Once done, sit tight as the TRX transfers to your hardware wallet. This usually takes a few minutes, but with 2025's faster blockchain tech, it might be even quicker. A quick tip. Always use a secure internet connection and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, test with a small amount first. There you have it. That's how you send TRX from XMO to your Ledger Nano X. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there.